I was saying, bro. Oh yeah, I am. So guess what, bro? We stood in that, and I said I couldn't. And guess what? When I made it to Thaddeus' house in Texas, they oh, what's up, y'all? I'm here. Okay. So anyway, as I was saying, bro. As soon as I made it to Texas, my neighbor messaged me on Facebook here on Facebook and said that my lights is on. I could have stood, huh? But guess what? I said, why we do that? Because if we if we wouldn't have went, y'all would have never saw what happened. You know, I filmed the winds and the roof tiles was coming off. I filmed all that. You know. Yes, indeed. It's on YouTube. I've done a Facebook Live. You know. So anyway, y'all already know the story. But next time I'm gonna watch Hurricane whoever on my laptop. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it on my laptop when I'm evacuated from this city.
Oh yeah.
Well, a few years from now, but not right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while from the hurricane.
Because guess what? A hurricane hit us back to back. Hurricane Zeta, remember?
Before Ida, right?
Yeah, Hurricane Zeta hit us in October.
Yeah, but it wasn't a big deal to Ida though, because our light was on like within the day. So.
Oh, and guess what? Our lights went off during the storm.
Yeah, what I'm saying, our light did too.
Mm-hmm.
It came back on like a couple of days after.
Couple of days after?
Something like that.
Well, guess what? Ours came on a couple of hours.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, probably a couple. I don't know.
I know why, because we live near downtown. That's why.
Where?
Yeah.
I know. Like Ida, I don't know when that light came back on. It was like a couple weeks though.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It was for like a week or so.
Okay. Well.
Damn.
Yeah. So anyway, y'all. I mean, I enjoyed my experience of getting out of here. You know.
Yeah.
And you know.
You went to Dallas.
Huh?
I thought you went to Dallas.
Well, we could have, but Thaddeus told us we can stay. And guess what? It was a nice home, bro. And guess what? He have an upstairs living room.
Mm.
That's what I want. An upstairs living room. That's a lot of space.
Yeah.
And I sure hope me
who all stayed there with you?
Oh yeah, me, Brock, my ET, and some children too.
Oh okay, yeah.
And yeah, we had fun. I wish you could watch it though. You know. And you know, let me tell you something, bro. I mean, every time a hurricane hit that Gulf of Mexico, you know that Gulf of Mexico is a monster. Huh?
Yeah.
Cause you know that Gulf of Mexico is hot. It's warm waters, and guess what? That a hurricane could do some serious strengthening. So if a hurricane threaten here, get out of here. Beg your grandma to get out of here. I understand it's tough though, but we gotta get out of harm's way. But all I'm saying is, oh yeah, disregard that music in the background, y'all. I don't own it. Okay. Oh yeah, you ain't have to stop it.
Yeah, you gotta see.
Well, I can block it out, bro.
I could.
No, I can block it out.
Now, if I want to move, I mean, if they don't want to come, they probably won't leave. But I'm leaving.
Yeah, that's true. So yeah, y'all.
They do it to Trina, I love it. So.
Well, and guess what? Thank God Rudy and them was still there. Yeah, because you got on that bus. Nobody got off the bus.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Right now, we're on a watch, which we didn't think that we would have to do, because this was not a thing when we booked our vacation, and even when we got
luckily the bus driver let you home.
So I remember.
Yeah, so see. But you rung that bell and got off on Saving on and Broad by that blue stove. It was blue back then, and it's still blue now.
And now we have a full-on hurricane heading not
It was.
but close to us, which can cause a lot of rain and a lot of wind here.
It been blue.
Are strategically planning.
It was gray
We have
at first.
full day tomorrow, and then we
When we was going to junior high school, it was gray. You're right. It was gray.
Because of the rain.
Yeah, it is pretty.
It was gray. You was right, bro. Because they painted blue. I don't remember what year they painted blue.
I think that
I don't remember.
Really be too concerned about it.
Oh yeah, it still is the blue stove.
They are. Normally, I pick flights that have no layers.
Yeah, because I don't know when they painted it blue. Because it was blue before Katrina.
Flights without a layover, and the one time we have.
And guess what? They gumbo is good too.
Straight over.
I love gumbo, ladies and gentlemen, and I know y'all saw me eat gumbo before.
Directly over.
You know.
The storm. And
So yeah.
Colorado, this wouldn't even be an issue.
I think you should buy yourself a box fan or a fan or something. You know.
A box fan.
You know the.
Oh yeah, I know you're talking about. I was thinking about doing another fan. I mean, I guess it's alright.
Yeah, because you know, I don't think your grandma could take that cold.
That cool.
You know the air conditioner and stuff. Oh, it's broken.
I don't know what's going on.
Oh well, cause it costs an arm and a leg. You got to build up your subscribers and everything. Play some gaming. Get your see. I got a lot of games, and you know, people interested in stuff. You know, that's why I'm doing this show, doing this video and stuff like that to keep y'all interested. You know, okay? So that's what I do. Okay,
yeah.
I'm doing this to keep everybody interested. You know.
Yeah.
And I met a girl at the bus stop. She said she not into gaming, but if y'all watching this on my other channels and stuff like that, you know, y'all, you know, so this is going on YouTube as well, you know. But this is a Facebook Live though, and I'm gonna go to Instagram Live after this probably. Okay, I think I will go to Instagram Live, ladies and gentlemen. You know, so you know something, y'all. I mean, the way I think about it though, you had a lot of games. I wish you would have had your Dreamcast, you know.
Yeah.
So you need a Dreamcast. That's why I gave you that whatchamacallit thing.
Whatchamacallit thing? Oh.
And you can get a PlayStation 2. You could do missions on Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, he. I know I said I was supposed to buy you Grand Theft Auto 4. I forgot, y'all. You're not upset, huh? Yes, he is, y'all.
I'm not upset, bro.
All right. Yeah. So anyway, I don't know when Dwayne gonna watch this. I know my family is watching this though. You know. Yep. So to let y'all know, just in case my family members is watching this. And disregard that in the background, you know. All right. Oh, this is Hot Boys. And guess what? I got the album still. Huh? Guerrilla Warfare. Let them burn, let them burn. And guess what? Before Katrina. All right. I'm sorry, y'all, but. Not too low, so you can hear it though, you know. So they can hear. So I'll block it out if I can, you know. Because when they show copyright, they can show you. You don't have to cut it off. I mean, this you turn it off because you wanted to.
Yeah.
Because this is your TV, man. This your television. You can listen to it.
Boy, you feel like you ain't nothing.
Okay.
So now hurricane come. You gonna leave too?
Oh, what time?
I'm not a hurricane.
Well, yeah, we going. We probably gonna have to. You know. Well, where you gonna go after Houston?
Yep.
Yeah, maybe me too. You know. So yeah. And guess what? I'm going film my invention. Like I did last year.
Yeah.
And I want to tell you, Erica, Erica, I don't know if you're watching this or not. You know, she fine. I'm not talking about my cousin Erica. I'm talking about another Erica. She fine like wine. And guess what? She said she had a fight with her sister. Staying somewhere with one bathroom. Jesus Christ. I wish I could have got her and her boys to come with us. I only met her youngest son recently, Zelly. I wanted to meet AJ. Well, anyway, and you know, I want to tell you, I think her mama likes me. I won't be surprised. She might watch this and laugh. Her mama and Erica. I won't be surprised if her mama start calling me son-in-law. Son-in-law. Yeah. What's up? Oh, I'm too loud. Yeah, he right. I'm too loud. You know. All right. So. Well, I already showed the viewers your chairs and stuff.
It's Robin.
Oh, wait a minute. Yes, indeed, y'all. All right, so I guess all right, thank y'all for watching, y'all. I'm about to go on Instagram Live, okay? All right.